What is up, guys? So welcome back to another video. As you see, we got the truck pulled in the garage here, and we're gonna be doing a full brake overhaul. I'm talking everything from lines right here, calipers, pads, seals, rotors, and even a new master cylinder, and of course some new fluid along with that. So this thing needs brakes really bad, and actually I've been driving it with a pinch line and only had fronts, just because like it wasn't too bad, so I could deal with it, but just to get me to work. But it's time to not do that and do everything all at once and not have to touch these brakes for a good while. So I'm gonna get everything out of the box, show you guys what I got. I'm like $500 into brakes in this thing. Shit adds up quick, but it needed it pretty badly. So check out all my Milwaukee shit. It's not the fuel, but we'll get there. So this thing is crammed into the garage. As you can see, we got a lot of stuff. So let me go over everything real quick. New drilled and soldered rotors. I think it didn't come with bearings, so that's not good. New calipers. I got the power stop kit. I heard good things about it, so we're just gonna run it. It's pretty cheap. New front lines, a new body style Silverado master cylinder, so that's out of the 01 to I guess 08 truck, so it gets rid of the squishy pedal feel, and all you need is an adapter that I have. And we got of course all the lines pre-bent. Shout out to Inline Tube, they shipped it in like 2 days and it was only like 140 bucks with free shipping, so that was sweet. So we got a lot of shit to do and not a lot of time to do it, so let's get started here. We'll start on, I don't know what to start on. I think I might start out with the master and then go from there. That's pretty easy. Alright, so I'm actually going to start out in the front. Take the wheel off, get situated here. I've never done brakes on a truck like this, so learning experience right now, and let's get this wheel off. Alright, so I'd say these are it's about time for a refresh. They're just about shot. Look at that. Look how gross these are. So this doesn't look too fun to do, to be honest, but we're gonna have fun doing it. Let's pull this caliper off, pull the rotor off, and then see what is going on from there. All right, so got the caliper off, had to call in reinforcements. Look how fucked these things are, so good thing we are doing them while we are, because that is pretty dangerous. So dude, these bearings sound shit.
Yeah, they're shot. You're going this far, why not put new bearings in it?
Yep, so I guess I'll go to the parts store and get fucking bearings and seals, so.
I think they're A2, A6, and a 8871 seal, I think it is.
And there's the stuff. So, let me go to AutoZone. Alright, so we are back from Napa, and we got everything that we need. AutoZone is junk. I hate that place. They never have anybody knowing what they're doing. So we gotta take our hand tightened nut that had no cotter pin through it, slide the rotor off, and we'll have to pack new bearings and get this thing ready. Take this caliper off and do the other side. This is not very fun. Alright, so we got the spindle greased. We have our new bearings in here and our new seals packed. First time doing this, so it's taking a little bit of time, but everything's packed in there, greased up with all the seals are in there, and then we just have to slide the rotor on, put the front seal in, and then go from there. So when I do the lowering kit, it's going to come with new spindles. These spindles are shot, and I'll have to get new dust shields while I'm at it because these are rotted off. So I'm hoping to order the lowering kit for this thing in probably 2 weeks-ish. And then we can do that when we can do all that when the time comes. So now we're gonna slide the rotor on. So we just went to Napa. He goes, oh, I probably have some of that stuff for his hot rod over there.
There it is.
And that's what we needed, so we didn't have to buy it, but it is what it is. Now we got extras just in case. Now we're gonna throw this on and get this shit done. Alright, so it's all finished up. Everything's sealed on. This is on. Cotter pin is in because there wasn't a cotter pin before. Throw the caliper on. We got a flat rate tech right here, zooming through it and helping me along the way. So let's throw this on. I'll show you guys what it looks like all done because it's gonna look pretty sweet. Okay, so this side is done. It is bled, even though it is the closest one to the master here. Not that big of a deal. We're gonna have to rebleed them anyway eventually when I do the master. So this is done. Throw the wheel on, do the other side, and then go do some burnouts. Boys and girls, he's aggravated. Gotta call in reinforcement.
Hello?
Yo, can you come help me? This fucking caliper is being retarded. Yeah. Alright, so this side is on and done and bled. I'm gonna throw the wheel on. I'm not gonna do this other stuff yet because I don't feel like it. And we're gonna go test out the front brakes, make sure she does a fat one-legger. And then I'll end the video there, and stay tuned for part 2 of the series, and stay tuned for this burnout. Alright, so we are in New Mexico. Yeah.
Hello?
Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned for part 2 of doing the master cylinder upgrade and some lines. And that's about it. I have LED headlights coming in, new housings, and that'll be a video. So stay tuned for that if you want to see some bright lights on this thing, because the lights are dog shit. But yeah, this turned out really good. I'm pretty happy with it. Even with the pinched off line, stops amazing. And it's definitely a way better feeling, and the master cylinder isn't in yet. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell all your boys.